Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix a problem was detected with the TrueDepth camera. Face ID has been disabled on your iPhone. If you're using any iPhone and you're facing this type issue on your iPhone, that whenever you try to open your Face ID settings, you will find this type issue that your problem was detected with the TrueDepth camera. Face ID has been disabled. So let's see how can you easily fix that. So there are some possible fixes. The very first way is that you have to completely clear your the front camera, the 3D camera. You have to make sure that there is no any dust or dirt in your camera. You have to clean it up with a clear or clean cloth. And after doing that, you have to go for settings here, go for general here, go for software update, and you have to make sure that you haven't any pending software update. If you find any pending software update, you have to try to update the software. So after doing that, you have to go back, go for screen time settings, go for content and privacy restrictions, and disable all the restrictions from here. Once you have disabled, you have to go back and then go for the general again, go for transfer reset iPhone, select reset all settings, and then continue this step to reset all of your phone setting. It will not delete the data. It will just reset all of your phone settings. If there will be any issue with your iPhone setting, it will be fixed in this step. And after doing that, if you're still facing the same issue, so it might be your hardware issue. You must have to clear your iPhone front camera completely, or you have to check this to any hardware professional. And after doing that, if you're still facing the same issue or you want to get more help, you have to open your Apple Support app. You can easily install it from your App Store or you can use Apple Support Web. So select your iPhone, select more option, and you have to look for Face ID option here. Here's the Face ID, you have to tap on it and then select Get More Help, select Call Us. Now you will find a phone number. Whenever you want to talk, you have to simply dial this phone number and you will be connected with Apple support team member. You can discuss about your issue and get official help from there. So in this way, your issue will be fixed. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.